We've talked about preparing your car for a winter storm. But what about when it comes to your home? I'm your neighborhood reporter, Russell Shelberg, speaking with officials on how to get you and your family through whatever this winter weather might bring. When it comes to living in Michigan, many neighbors are used to the snow. But with snow in the forecast, St. John's neighbors like Carl and Hella Geiger have their plans already set in place.
We're going to go home and curl up on the couch and stay there.
But for neighbors who aren't as prepared just yet, I visited the St. John's Police Department to talk to Chief David Kirk about what those efforts should look like to keep yourself safe at home during a storm.
Be sure that you have the water, food, milk, those things that you need to get by if you can't get access for a couple of days.
Kirk told me making the trip to the store before the storm can save you lots of headaches during one.
Road crews will be out. The potential for slide-offs and crashes increase as those road conditions deteriorate with the snow.
As your St. John's neighborhood reporter, I talk with Kirk throughout the seasons, including during the Michigan winter. And he also had some tips if the neighborhood's power goes out.
Be sure that you're not operating generators inside or close enough to somewhere inside where the fumes and exhaust from the generator could enter into your house. That's an extremely dangerous situation to have.
Kirk told me other items like blankets, coats, extra socks, candles, and hand warmers are the way to go to prevent fume risk. And for neighbors like Geiger, there is one more piece of advice.
Use your head. Don't go on the road. If they say no, don't.
For a full breakdown of home safety during winter storms, visit our website on fox47news.com. In your neighborhood, I'm Russell Shelberg, Fox 47 News.